Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, how y'all doing? It's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. And I'm back in the kitchen. And today I am going to be barbecuing outside. I'm going to be barbecuing us some chicken legs and thighs, and some hot dogs. I just wanted something a little different today. I didn't want to bake the chicken. I don't mind having fried chicken, but if I fry it, they still have something to say. So I said, let me just get on outside and barbecue this chicken on up. I'm still, I still got a little cold in me or whatever. It ain't all the way out. So if y'all hear that I'm talking a little funny, that's the reason why. Okay? So, what I'm about to show y'all how to make is some tuna salad. Tuna, let me see. Tuna pasta, tuna with pasta, however you say it. Pasta with tuna in it. That's what I'm finna make, okay? And I make my basic. Now, I'm not one of the ones that add onions and celery and bell peppers and all that stuff to it. I don't like crunching on stuff like that. So, I do add the celery salt and I add the onion powder, and that's about it, okay? So, I make it basically just how I make my potato salad. I can put some mustard in it. I just don't feel like opening up the page, y'all. I'm being lazy. I'm ready to go ahead on and get out here on the grill because the weather look like it's clearing up, but at the same time, it's dark outside like it's about to rain or it's gonna rain again. I don't even know if it rained this morning because I slept in a little late today. So I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do not leave this video without hitting the thumbs up and subscribing to your girl channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that has been here and the ones that's joining. So now y'all, with that being said, let's get to this pasta salad. So I have my noodles already boiled, and y'all know I use a combination of different kind of noodles. I'm not one of the ones that, use a certain kind of noodle. So right here I got some rotini noodles and some elbow noodles, okay? So I got those boiled up, and that was 2 cups exactly of noodles. I measured them with my measuring cup, okay? So I have my tuna fish, and so I'm going to dump my tuna. And I just have some regular Walmart brand chunk light tuna and water. And I'm going to dump the tuna in here, juice and all. And the reason why I add the juice to it is because it helps keep it moist. You know how sometimes when you make tuna salad or whatever, it just dries out? Well, this helps keep it from drying out. Okay? So, yeah. I'm gonna get this tuna on in here. And I got 2 cans that I'm adding. And y'all know I'm not one of the ones to measure, but I'm sure enough gonna try to measure this for y'all, okay? And if we have to keep going back and forth, I got to taste my food or whatever, because I'm an eyeball seasoner. So I have to taste my food to make sure it tastes like I want it to taste. So now I have 5 eggs. I like to add a lot of eggs to my tuna salad because I like the eggs in it. Now you can cut your eggs up like you would like to cut them up, but I'm going to cut mine up kind of like on the big side. I want them to be I want to taste my eggs in it. So I'm going to cut them up big. And hopefully these 5 eggs is enough. And with this, I'm going to be making us some deviled eggs too. I know eggs, but I don't know what it is. I've been having a taste for some eggs, y'all. Like yesterday, I boiled me some eggs and ate it with my butter that I use for my seafood boil. Yes, that's what I had for breakfast. So I just been having a taste for me some eggs, some boiled eggs. It might be because I've been looking at some seafood boils, y'all. That probably what's been doing it. Looking at them doggone seafood boils, and people got me wanting some seafood. So The closest I got to it was my doggone boy. Oh, and just to let y'all know, this is another version of cleaning out my refrigerator, getting rid of all your fragments, and you know, cooking up what you got in the kitchen before I go to the grocery store. So y'all, I'm getting down. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it until I go to the grocery before I go out of town. I'm trying to, you know, hold out until I go out of town to keep from buying groceries and stuff, you know. So every night, you know, I have to, certain things I have to get, y'all. You know, you got to get you some butter and stuff like that. So I had to go and get the charcoal to, you know, barbecue my food with or whatever. So that's basically what I went and got. And I got me some butter. So I haven't been using up everything that I have. I made grandma some tuna fish yesterday, and I made it on some tortilla bread instead of going out and buying bread. I'm trying to use up everything that I have, and it actually was good. So alright, so I got the eggs in here. So now I'm about to get me some relish. So this is gonna be about, that's 1 heaping tablespoon. Heaping is when it's just running over like that. That's 2, 3 heapings. Okay, so I know if I need any more by the time I get this going. Then I'm going to add me some mayonnaise, and I just have some regular mayonnaise. You could use whatever kind of mayonnaise that you would like to add, but I don't care for I don't like Miracle Whip really, and so I'm just going to be adding this mayonnaise. Okay. Alright, now the seasonings that I have is some Tony seasonings, and I'm going to be measuring for y'all. So I start out with 1 tablespoon measurements. So that gives that, when I eyeball it, I can go down, up or down from there. 9 times out of 10, most of the time, I really don't need more than a tablespoon measurement. If I do, then it, you know. So I'm going to start out with a teaspoon of the Tony's Creole seasoning. Okay, then I got me some parsley. Y'all, I'm adding the parsley just for the color. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of parsley to this. I got some garlic powder. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic. Onion powder. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of that. A tablespoon of garlic, onion. Then I have some lemon pepper seasoning. I like the lemon pepper, but it's just something about lemon pepper with fish. That's the reason why I do it. So, or seafood basically. So that's the reason why I do it. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of that. I'm starting out with a teaspoon. And if I have to go up from there, then I will. Then I have some celery salt. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of celery salt as well. I don't want to make it salty, so if I need to go up or down, then I will, okay? And I like to add sugar to my, you know, potato salad and tuna salad, but I'm going to mix this all together and give it a taste first before I add the salt. I mean the sugar. So I'm gonna sprinkle in some black pepper. Just add as much black pepper as you would like to yours. Y'all, black pepper, I don't know the purpose of black pepper, so you know, black pepper just do something for your food. That's all I know, just do something. We get some color and it just do a little something for it. Okay, so now just give that a good mix, and I'm stirring slowly because I got this little bitty bowl. You know, I always end up trying to do things small, and it just turns out being more than, you know, I need, which I don't mind that because we eat leftovers, so I ain't got no problem with having, you know, extra food. Okay. So how have you guys been? Like I told y'all, I just been under the weather. Like, y'all know these summer colds is the worst cold to get. And so, you know, it's just been... Babe, I'm recording. And so, It's the summer cold is the worst cold to get, and I wouldn't wish no summer cold on nobody. But I've been doing good. I haven't been getting sick or anything like that lately, so I've been doing good. I guess it was just time. But y'all, this is smelling good and it's looking good so far. So when I give it a taste, I know if I need to add anything else to it. I'm gonna bring it close for y'all so y'all can see. Y'all know my camera don't zoom in, nothing like that. So I'm gonna bring it close for y'all so you can see what it's looking like, and it's looking nice and moist. I'm thinking I'm gonna add just a little bit more mayonnaise to this, which I have a little bit left, but it'll be just enough for what's going on with this here. But y'all, look at that. Y'all look how that's looking. So I'm gonna give this a taste, and then go from there. Let y'all know what I need to add. I taste the lemon pepper, the tonics, the onions, the everything. Really, to me, only thing I need is a little sugar. So if you one of the ones that don't like sugar, you ain't got to add it. So I got a tablespoon measurement, so I'm finna tell you how much I add. You got enough seasoning, y'all. It tastes good. So that was 1 tablespoon. Okay, so starting out with 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna give this a good mix, and then I'll let you know. I just like that sweet taste, you know, to my tuna, potato salad, and tuna pasta, or whatever you call this. Y'all, but this looks so good. Y'all, I forgot to add my, hold on, I forgot to add my complete seasoning. I got some complete seasoning. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of this. Just a teaspoon. Y'all, that was good, that man.
Hell no.
I'm recording. You all in my video.
I play the game every day. I talk every day.
Okay, so now I'm gonna give this another taste. That did it there, y'all. That tastes so good. Look at all them clouds coming back. It's getting dark outside again. But I got an itty bitty grill on my porch, and that's what I'm gonna be using. I ain't putting no more mayonnaise in here, y'all. I know I told y'all I was, but it tastes good the way it is. Just like this. Yeah, that turned out good, y'all. That is delicious. Delicioso. Oh, so awesome. Let me give me another little bite of that, child. Y'all want to taste it? I'm going to let y'all taste it. Y'all look at it. Y'all look at that tuna salad. Ooh, child, honey. Look at her. Get your little taste of it, child. Go on ahead now. Y'all see that? Look at them big chunks of eggs in it. That's what I like. All those. Ooh, child. Y'all try to get all of it from me. That tastes good, y'all. So, I hope you guys try this recipe. And if you like it, then let your girl know. Okay? So, until next time, this is your girl Tiana, like only be me. Y'all be blessed. And y'all have a great day, great week. Whatever day it is you're watching, happy that day, okay? So, till next time, peace, love, and blessings to each and every one of you guys. Bye-bye. I just wanted to come back and show y'all how to make it look presentable. If you want to leave it in the bowl that is in. But just add your little parsley on top of it. And that makes it cute.